Hey guys, welcome back. It's me, KB, and today it's a little bit different video because I'm recording with my phone. I think for the first time, I'm not recording with the screen recorder because I want you guys to understand this because, I'm about to show you the best Android OS for your PC, laptop, or even for your phone. If your phone supports the Project Treble, then you can also install this Bliss OS, which is, in my opinion, the best OS, at least for PCs and laptops. So yeah, if you don't know what is Bliss OS is an open source project and they make OS for PC and also for Android. So I'm not going to go into the Android side because it is more suitable for PCs because there are many Android OSs like Phoenix OS, Remix OS, Prime OS, and all of them actually runs on Android 7. So there is no Android 8 or 9 or 10. So this is the only OS which is actually running on Android 9. And the Bliss OS team always keeps the OS up to date. This is the only OS which gives you the latest Android. So yeah, it's gonna be a little bit shaky, but what to do? I don't know. So enough talk, let's just get into the details. Okay, so first of all, I'm about to show you what Android I'm running, and actually this is the laptop, Dell laptop, and I'm gonna go into settings and about tablet, and I'm gonna scroll down. You can see this is the Android version 9. I'm gonna click on it and you can see security patch level April 5. So if you have used any other Android OS, then they have like 2015 or 16's patch, security patch, and but with the Bliss OS you get like, it's not like most up to date like you get in your phone, but at least this is the most up to date in your PC. So if you want to use the Bliss OS in your PC, this is the most secure Android OS you can get out there and most up to date Android. So I'm sure very soon they're gonna release the Android 10 too, and I'm hoping maybe next year early we'll get the Android 10, Bliss Android 10. So yeah, I'm about to show you the performance. This is like smooth, really smooth. So as you can see, I'm gonna open the Firefox. You can see this is just smooth, like you are using a phone. You got the Play Store where you can download games, apps, whatever you want. You can see here. We got PUBG. I have installed it because I want to test it. And we have the Call of Duty mobile. Yep, we got everything. So only downside of this is that this is not made for gaming. So what I mean by gaming, like other OS comes with a key mapping tool. By using that key mapping tool, you can actually use your mouse and keyboard to play games. So unfortunately in Bliss OS, there is no key mapping tool. So if you are into like heavy gaming, this is not the OS for you. If you just want your old laptop to be alive again, you want to install the Android OS in your old laptop and you want to use Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or anything, beside gaming, if like heavy gaming, if you want to play PUBG or anything like that, you can still play like using a Octopus application like this one. This allows you to do the key mapping thingy in shooter games, almost any games, not only shooter games. Okay, so you can play Clash Royale, what I mean. So this is a all-in-one good Android OS for PCs. So I have downloaded few apps right here. Facebook works just fine. You can see I just need to log in here, and there is a WhatsApp. Yeah, it works. Just agree and continue, put your phone number here and WhatsApp will work. And the final test, PUBG Mobile. So you can see this OS is really snappy, fast, so I'm just gonna open the PUBG and gonna wait because it's gonna take some time because it is a really heavy game, and I'm just gonna show you that everything works in this OS. All right, loading. My hand is so shaky. I can't stop it. I wish I had a tripod or something like that. This hand got tired, so now I have to use my right hand. And I had to do so much work to make this video actually. I'm dumb. All right, so you can see this says emulator detected, obviously, because this is not a phone. This is a x86 port of Android, so this will say this is an emulator. So yeah, you have to deal with it. So I'm just gonna hit OK, and I'm gonna start the PUBG game. Just, gonna show you. I won't be able to play because I haven't done any key mapping with Octopus or anything. I haven't even tried. But there are many applications which can do the thing, like you can do the key mapping even in your Android phone. So you can say this is your Android phone and you have to do the key mapping using some third-party application. What? Someone is talking? What? I can hear some... What? I have to mute them because they're gonna talk with me too. So yeah, now they are muted. So you can see this is running. I can also run. Okay, the flight is gone. Okay, you can see. Oh, he sends me a friend request. But I don't want to be your friend. No. No. I'm making a video. Okay, so you can see everything is running fine. Please let me jump. Okay. Jump. So as I said, I haven't done any key mapping, so I won't be able to play this really good. So I need to use some third-party tool. So that's it. You can see this is running. So you can expect everything to run in this OS. That is a good thing. And the best part is that this is an Android 9. And soon you will also get the Android 10. So what I mean is, this is the only OS which gives you the latest up-to-date Android OS, Bliss OS. Yeah, this is pretty amazing. So now, what else I can show you? You saw like speed, everything is just amazing. Go to Play Store, get your favorite game like Goat Simulator. Why not? Why not? You don't want to play Goat Simulator? No? Okay, then cancel. And yeah, you saw everything, works everything, so a few things, downsides. First, it doesn't have a key mapping tool, bad sign. Second, Wi-Fi does not work, at least for me. So I have to use the LAN cable. So Ethernet works. So you just plug your cable. If you're using a laptop, then you can manage to get the Ethernet cable. So that's not a big deal, but maybe in some laptops or PCs, the Wi-Fi will work. At least for me, the Wi-Fi is not working. And although USBs works just fine, you can see I'm using a wireless mouse. You don't believe me? Wireless mouse and keyboard, and you can hook up anything in USB. It will pick it up. So that's a good thing. And yeah, that's it. The Wi-Fi is not working. Just for me, maybe it will work on other laptops or PCs. But yeah, in my case, Wi-Fi is not working, so I can use the Ethernet. Ethernet should work with all the laptops and PCs. Yeah, that's it. That's the only downside of using this. But if you want the most secure Android OS in your laptop, then this is the one, the Bliss OS. So I have showed you everything. Now I'm going to show you a few things you need to do to install this. So you can also do the dual boot. As you know how to do dual boot. You have to do the Google search for that, because if I make a dual boot thingy and everything in this video, it will take forever. I mean, it's going to take some time. So first, to install this, access your boot menu. So I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to turn this off from here. Okay, I'm going to turn this off like that, shutting down. Okay, all right. Once you have made a bootable USB drive using Rufus or anything like that, I have made a video on how to make bootable USB drive for Windows, but actually works on any OS. So I'm gonna put that link in the description. You can go there and make the bootable USB drive for Bliss OS first and plug it in your PC, just like this one. And after that, open your PC, power up your PC and press your boot menu key. So boot menu key is different in different PCs. Like in mine, it's F12. In your, it may be 11, F11 or F10 or F8, escape or F1 or F2. So it could be random. So you have to do the Google search like what is my boot menu key for this laptop or this PC, something like that. So in my case, this is F12. So I'm going to power this up and I'm going to just, tap on F12 and it should open the, you can see this is the preparing one-time boot menu. So this is the boot menu. Once you see this, you can see your USB storage devices here, and you have there are two modes, UEFI and legacy mode. So it doesn't matter where you want to boot. So I'm just gonna boot from legacy because I have set it to boot from legacy. Okay, so I'm just gonna select my USB device and I'm gonna hit enter. And after that, I'm gonna wait it to load. Yeah, that's it. Yep, you can see here, we have options: live CD without installation, debug mode, or installation, install Bliss OS in hard disks. Live CD means you don't need to install. I mean, it won't get installed. You can actually run the Bliss OS directly without installing. I know most of you guys already know about this. But anyway, for new people, maybe you don't know, that's why I mentioned it. And installation, so you can install using the advanced option. You should actually. So in advanced option, you will see there is a auto installation. So you don't have to do anything, just select your drive and after that it will automatically install. So that is a good thing. So after that we have the auto update. So if you get a update of Bliss OS, you can make a USB flash drive and after that update. So that is a good thing too. So what I recommend you guys to install this Bliss OS in your PC is just click on auto installation, auto install to specific hard drive. So just choose, okay, I think I'm gonna have to do this. Okay, I'm just gonna click on that and it will try to load up the setup. And after that, we will choose our hard disk. It takes some time, so that's why I was like a little bit lazy to do that, but maybe we can just skip the part where it's taking the time. So here you can see we have the hard disk, 1 GB. You can also make a partition. So if you know how to make partition, then good for you. But if you don't know, then just install it in your separate hard disk or partition if you have made using Windows, or you're doing dual boot or something like that. So you can see we have a hard disk and removable. So we don't want to install it in removable because that's the bootable USB drive. So we just have to select our hard disk and after that hit OK, and it will just auto install the Bliss OS. So you don't have to do anything. You don't have to write any code, nothing. Just hit enter and it will get installed. So simple as that. So I'm not gonna do that because I have already installed it and it takes some time. So yeah, that's how you install. Actually, I'm gonna go and boot my Bliss OS one more time just to show you guys a few more things. All right, get ready to see the boot logo of Bliss OS. Okay. Okay, I'm just gonna wait. Come on, just boot up. All right, you can see this is the logo of Bliss OS. It's beautiful. Yes, indeed. Okay, so I actually run a live CD, because I want to show you this thing. So once you install the Bliss OS, you will see these two options. Let me focus. Yeah. One is quick step and one is taskbar. So I don't know, for some reason, taskbar launcher has some bug. It just flicks when you select this. So I recommend you guys to use the quick step. Don't use taskbar. But just to show you guys, I'm just going to use this just once. Okay. And this is the like PC style look of Bliss OS. So I don't know, for some time, for some reason, sometime it just flicks when I select this. So yeah, this is like PC, you're using PC. So if you don't get any problem using this, then you can keep using this. But for me, I found that it has some type of bug which makes the screen like flickering, So I'm just gonna try to set as default, and maybe nope, I accidentally used this and it's now always stuck. So I'm just gonna go and inside settings, and let's see if I can. All right, I think I can change this from here, the default setting. All right, now it's default, and hopefully it won't flicker anymore. Yeah, maybe that was something going on, I don't know, but right now it's not flicking. Good thing. Okay, good thing. Yeah, what I mean is that flicking, still it has bug. When I go back to home, you can see, and when I open the, like, for example, I'm gonna open the setting, you can see the weird animation like that. It just goes black and then comes back. So I don't recommend you guys to use this. Okay, you just use the another launcher. Don't use taskbar. It's your thing, by the way. So where do I access the application? All right, so this is the official site. I will put a link in the description. You can go there and download this actually. So from here, you can just click on download and it will instruct you what you want to download, So you can see at this site, okay, come on, focus. Yeah, you can see if you download this from this site, there is are you looking for Android Pie builds? If I click yes, GSI treble. So this is for phones. To download for PC, you actually have to find this. Okay, I'm gonna put link in the description for both, one for phone, one for PC. So you actually have to click on this, go to the Bliss OS website. So I just click on that, and then after that it will load up the another page. Actually from here you can get the Bliss OS for your PC and laptop, or yeah, is there anything else? So now just click on download, and after that it will ask you, are you running a 64-bit PC? Hit yes. If you have a 32-bit, then hit no, and it will give you the 32-bit PC OS. So I have 64-bit. I'm just gonna click on yes, and I don't have a Microsoft Surface device, so I'm gonna hit no. If you have Microsoft like laptop, then choose yes. It will give you the OS specially made for that device. So I'm gonna click on, okay, come on, focus, my hands are tired. Click on. You can also do the donate, if you want to. This is an open source, by the way, so you don't have to spend money, but if you like their work, then you can also do donate. So there is a, go to download link, really small, tiny. Just click on that and it will open the new page. And from here, download the latest Bliss OS for your PC. Okay, this video is going to be trash. I'm so shaky. Okay, so you can see this is the latest version right now. Just click on it, and after that it will get downloaded. Your download will start shortly and it will get downloaded. After that, do the bootable USB drive thingy, boot up and install. Installation is really simple. Just choose the auto installation method. By doing that, you don't have to write anything. It will auto install the Bliss OS in your PC. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, as I said, I will put link in the description for the Bliss OS websites, one for phone, one for PC and laptops. You can go there and download and have fun. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. And let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about the Bliss OS? Is it good? Is it better than any other Android OS? Yeah, in my opinion, this is the best OS. Not for gaming, but for normal people who, want to do things what they do in their phone, access Facebook, YouTube, anything you can imagine. You can do everything in this OS. That's it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.